Muted. Okay, now we're not muted anymore. And we're going to be doing Slugs versus Salad today. As you can see, we only have one show a day now since it's summer and vacation. Okay, Slugs versus Salad. Emil, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
No. Okay, Slugs versus Salad. And if you want to do live stream, you can use this app we're using. It's called MakeCode Streamer, makecode.com/streamer. And then, yeah, you can build all your games using that. We are building a tower defense garden mode. So this is to do the game jam.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we got some of the game mechanics. Maybe we should start thinking about the point system so that we can create a ton of those things.
Yeah.
We haven't.
Also, we should put lives on the slugs. So like, if it has 1 health, it's really weak.
Oh, okay. Then we need an extension for that. So go into advanced.
We need an extension?
To do lives per sprite, yes.
Oh yeah. But oh yeah, okay.
And I think sprite live. Sprite data, yeah.
Because we need for the shooters too. They get it.
All right, let's see. Go in sprites. I think that's where it adds things. So we added an extension here. Scroll down. Scroll. Okay. Yeah, you can attach things to sprites, including life. So
we use this.
We want to set a number. So we want to set
this
item data. Set item data to string to number. Yes. So when we create our little slug, where is the slug creation?
There you go.
Okay, now make sure you're talking to the right sprite. So it's going to be projectile, and we need to call it. You need to give a name to this thing. So it's going to be data. The data is going to be
Don't
life.
we put life
here? Life.
Don't we put a life block in it, or?
How long? How much?
Like
10.
3, 5.
5.
3.
Okay.
3 is good because we won't get that many shooters. Like
then when we have an overlap, let's see. Now let's go in the code that has overlap. We basically need to do the life management ourselves. Where's the overlap block?
Oh, my mouse. Here, right?
What's going on?
Oh no, we just release them.
Cool. Let's collapse the simulator for now in space. Okay, so what we're doing is we're adding a life to our sprite, and we need to do the work ourselves. So here, instead of just dying, we have to remove a life, then check if the life is 0, and then do something. So let's go back to the code here. The first thing first, you want to destroy the projectile every time. That's number 1. Then number 2, we're gonna remove a life. So let's go into the data. And we're gonna change. Do it before, actually. Let's do it before.
Here?
All the way.
Here?
No. Well, yeah. Okay. So that should be the sprite.
Oh, other sprite? Sprite.
Wrong one. Yeah. Okay. And we're looking at the data point called life. And we're going to remove 1, I guess. Okay.
No, we need negative.
Yes. Good point. Then we want to check. So we're going to do a condition. We're going to do an if. And we're going to do that right Yes, right there, and we're gonna read the life out of that sprite.
Here, I'm gonna zoom out.
So if that life is 0, then you know it's dead. So if it's, and then here there's another block to read the data out of the sprite. It's gonna be in the sprite section.
Oh yeah, my sprite.
All the way down.
Oh wait, the data.
And you want to read as a number.
I'm not even clicking down.
Oh, we lost a click.
Okay.
As a number. Data as a number. Yes. And you want to drop that in. Yes. If it's 0, then no. You're reading from the sprite variables. Then we do the whole corpse thing.
Okay, so data
Just
life.
move, yes, life. The live data is 0. That stays the same. Then you move all these blocks. And there, yes. And then if not, then we just keep going with life.
Then nothing happens.
Nothing happens. We already destroyed the projectile.
So
Okay.
let's see.
So now it should take. Hurry up! Hurry up! Yeah, that's working.
The effect isn't really.
Yeah, the effect is too slow.
Yeah. Like 100.
The other thing I think there was the status bar or something like that. Yeah. There was a one that gave you status bar, but I can't remember the name. Oh well. Okay, well that's good.
Now we just need to do like maintaining points.
5 might be a lot. You were right.
It should be like 3.
3. Oh, we
Oh,
have
it's
3. Let's do 2. Start with 2. We could change that as on every round. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so that's one thing. Points. So okay, so we're currently using lives to. Should we separate lives from points? We should, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, so we have 4 flowers, right? Or salads, whatever.
I mean, we should earn points at a constant rate, and then
Yeah,
you could spend them to buy.
but you also, since there's like, you should earn points. You shouldn't earn points at a constant rate. At the start, you should, but then you also place things where they give you more points each second.
Yeah, but what we can do is just get the points here. So
See how fast it goes. Okay, 200 points you can buy.
Wait. Okay, so wait. So points. What do you use to buy those towers? The life?
No. Use points. I mean,
we're using life right now.
in Plants vs. Zombies.
Oh, I see. Okay, so now we should.
In Plants vs. Zombies, you have sunflowers, and they give you points, and they have to protect the sunflowers.
Yeah, we lose the mouse. I see what you mean. Okay. Because we lose it with here. Ooh. Fun. Where do we create these things?
The point things?
Button A. Okay, here. So we need to check that we have enough money. And we need to remove.
Yeah. Points need to be money.
Yeah, that's what it is. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to do and.
And your score is going to be your health.
We're going to do and here.
And then the round will last for like 5 minutes or something.
I don't know if we'll get to rounds. See, now I can
Or just like the game ends. You have a timer.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Now we could just have a single round, and there's more and more coming.
Oh, waves.
Yeah. So this one is here, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna check that we have enough points. So the current score is greater than how much? 100?
It goes really fast, so like 250. For doing it on game update.
And yeah, we should have a variable for that.
Like.
And now we're gonna change the score.
Maybe 200 actually.
By minus 200. Okay.
We don't have enough.
Probably have a visual cue. Hey, the game is working!
There you go.
They shoot really fast. I guess once you haven't... Okay, so what we could have is... So the game update is always...
Every 10 seconds, the troops gain 1 more health. Or 5.
Okay, so we can do that. So what I think we should have is a variable that says how many lives the slug starts with. And then we can update that every 10 seconds. So let's go in the unstart.
5 seconds. 5 seconds is long. Like
let's go in the unstart.
Yeah, I'll start. Can I format it?
You could collapse everything too.
I can collapse the... How do I... Oh, yeah.
Right click, collapse all blocks. And now you format. Zoom. Okay.
What is this doing? Oh, I know.
Oh, we used to have the shake when it ate the thing. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna define a new variable, which is...
Didn't we talk about when you collapse, when you expand it, shouldn't it like push it away? That'd be cooler.
I know. I haven't done that yet. Also, you should keep the button to collapse it. It's very useful. Cool. Okay, let's see.
What?
Let me see the chat. Yeah, if you're in the chat and you really want 9 a.m., we can maybe keep the 9 a.m. show. It's just going to be 1 show a day. Okay, let's add this variable about the slug life. Slug life, hashtag slug life. So add a variable.
I have so many variables.
Slug life.
A lug.
Slug life. Okay. And we're gonna set that slug life to, we started with 3 lives. Okay. And now we wanna collapse. Yeah, I wanna collapse things. Where is the one? And then here, oh, we already create a slug every 5 seconds. So here, instead of 2, we're going to use slug life. Hashtag slug life. Okay. And let's start, that's 2. So you were saying every something we...
increment their life. So they're like, if they start at 2 and then they go to 3 every 5 seconds, and then they go to 4, 5 seconds later.
We only spawn 1 every 5 seconds, so we probably want to do that.
10? Can't you do 10?
Yeah, we can do 10. There you go. And in that case, we just... There we go. 1 more life. Just like that.
Let's see.
Oh, this is so stressful.
I need. Oh gosh. Oh god. There's actually strategy now that the lives increment.
Yeah, you need to cover all 4 first. You know what? We could start a little screen effect.
Can you do
Wait.
the screen gets red on the edges whenever you're getting Aiden?
No, we had the camera shake.
Oh yeah, we have the camera shake.
We're gonna do an effect for. What should we do?
Smileys.
Smiles. Okay, we love the smiles. And wait. We had the. I think this is the one. No, that's the slug hitting the. Where is the slug hitting the side of the sprite set?
What are you looking for?
That's the one where the slug hits the side.
Oh, the salads, flowers, whatever.
That's where we have to do our little camera shake. Hey, I think we're getting to
A pretty good game jam.
Oh, we start immediately this game update, so we should probably start with slug life equals 1.
Yeah, we should.
Slug life. And maybe spawn the slugs a bit faster. Although it wasn't too bad.
No, it's not that bad.
Alright.
Maybe once every 15 seconds it's supposed to spawn faster.
Yeah, because you're gonna have 1 more life every 2 slugs. And that's pretty fast. You know, now you're playing in the wrong run, so it's like 15 or maybe 20 seconds. And this is really a part where you have to spend time figuring out what your game's going to look like. All right. This has looked great for today's change. For the slug life, what we did was using points to allow you to spawn new
like Plants vs. Zombies tower defense.
We have some kind of a wave system by increasing the number of lives in the slugs every 15 seconds.
No, 10.
10. So there's really, I think you can always win this game now because we spawn faster than.
Because look, there'll be time when I'll start getting overrun, but I can just.
Yeah, I guess you need a new wave. Oh, we need to reset. We need to delete these things every new waves. That's what we're gonna do.
Then we have to tell people that it's a new wave. Or
hey, they have the smileys. Well, we'll figure out the wave stuff next week. All right, Emil, you ready? Let me get into a position. Hold on. I did that too early. All right, well, we're gonna go into demo mode here. Stand up higher, Emil.
Don't you want to do an arrow?
Yeah, we need an arrow. What are we pointing at? Oh, wrong one.
Where do I look? Where do I look?
Hold on.
I have to like come here.
Hold on. Yes. You have to look. Let's see. Kind of here. All right, let's go. Sorry,
wait,
getting ready for
one second. Are you...
high quality. Oh, we're blurry now. The camera went blurry. What's going on with this camera?
Oh, it's back again.
All right, let's try again.
Well, I'm always out of it.
All right, that's the screenshot of the day, and that's the status of the Slugs versus Salad. I'm going to share the game on the chat if you want to try it out, so that we remember that. There we go. Game in chat. The chat has been very, very quiet today. Yeah, that's it for today. We're still on our way to build the Slug versus Salad. Reminder that if you want to participate to the Garden Jam, it's going on right now. There's one more week. And yeah, build a game in the theme of the garden, and it'll be awesome. And make sure you submit it.
You can steal our game.
Yeah, you can totally steal our game. All right, that's all for today, folks, and see you tomorrow. There's more shows coming up today, so check out the schedule.